Hello viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Video blogging details second lecture for beginners. Stage 2. Getting ready to vlog. Okay, so you've defined your niche and your audience, now you are at the stage of getting ready for the vlog. These video blogging tips all focus on preparing your equipment in order to produce the highest quality videos possible. 1. Video blog sound. One of the first things to consider when preparing for vlogging is the sound. I've purposely not included a tip in this section that talks about cameras. Because most smartphones can film in an acceptable resolution, as long as your camera can shoot HD video, it will be suitable to get you up and running. Blue Yeti. Microphone for video blogging. Blue Yeti USB microphone. Learn more on the official website. One thing that your smartphone lacks, however, is a good inbuilt microphone. Smartphone microphones are sufficient for making a call, but do lack the necessary quality to record audio for broadcast. You'll need to invest in an external microphone. The type of external microphone you choose to buy depends on the kind of vlogs you want to shoot. If you will always film sat still at home, then you may decide to get a boom mic that hovers over your head and out of the shot. For the same type of vlog filming, some people favor desk microphones instead and are happy to have them in the picture as part of their set. But, if you are moving around, then it's worth investing in a lapel microphone that maintains the same sound level whatever movements you make. Just be sure to film at a quiet time of day when there is no other outside noise to mess up the sound quality. If you plan to film outdoors, you'll also need special mic covers to protect your investment from the elements and cut down any wind noise. Hot tip: as your sound is recorded separately, you may need to sync your audio with the picture when you edit your video. So just before you start talking, clap your hands like a Hollywood movie clapboard. The claps will show up as audio peaks in your editing software, and let you easily match up the images and sound. Amazon or eBay are the places to purchase reasonably priced sound equipment. You can get something that functions okay for $30 minus $40, but try and stretch yourself to a $100 budget to buy something of quality. 2. Video blog lights. Lighting is a key element in vlogging. While your first screen tests may be shot in your dingy back room, when you record something you want to upload, ensure you've thought about the lighting. If you're on a tight budget and can only afford one light, get a ring light to ensure your face is adequately lit. A ring light is for illuminating your face while minimizing any shadow. Place your camera in the center of the ring for best results. Ring lights are sometimes called selfie or diva lights too. Budget lighting kit for video blogging from Foxon. Budget video lighting kit from Foxon. See on Amazon. If you have space and the budget, you can go to town with your lighting. Key lights, fill lights, and backlights are all essential pieces of an impressive lighting solution. Video lighting kit from Airy. See on Amazon. An alternative to using a professional lighting setup is to film in natural light. It's what lighting equipment tries to recreate anyway. So if you have a place to film with plenty of natural lighting, that could be an option for you. Take note: the only downside is you can have your filming schedule restricted, either by weather or the time of day. I recommended you also experiment with your lighting and sound. Try filming some test vlogs to try out different setups and locations. Clap sound and audio recording software. Number 3. Create a vlogging space studio. When choosing a space to film your vlog, you really have 3 options. First, you can just film naturally and give no real thought to what's showing in the background. Second, you can construct a mini set in a corner of your home. Third, you can buy a background that you can hang up behind you for filming. Let's take a quick look at all 3 options. The selfie vlog. Simply holding your camera wherever you are and starting to film is a rough and ready style that may suit some vloggers. It's more casual, hyper-personal, and may result in deeper engagement from your viewers. Here is top vlogger Casey Neistat filming on the streets. Though there is nothing to stop you selfie vlogging around your home. The mini home set. Many vloggers choose to build a mini studio set at home. Using cheap self-built furniture from somewhere like IKEA, plus a few well-chosen home furnishings, make it easy to construct a professional-looking background to your vlog. Be sure to pick up a decent tripod so that you can position your camera in the exact way you like. Here is a home set constructed for the channel of the Chrome extension for YouTubers, vidIQ. Some basic shelving, ornaments that align with the vlog's image, and some low-key backlights combine to create an excellent vlog setting. Hanging background. If you don't have space to construct a home vlog set or want to get up and running quickly, then you could choose to use a backdrop. You can buy backdrops from eBay and Amazon that have white, black, and green color options. And if you are tech-minded, you can use the green background to edit in a digital backdrop later. Alternatively, you can use a specially printed backdrop that you can hang anywhere when you want to vlog. Reezy Resells, the popular eBay and Amazon reseller, has a logo and tagline printed on a yellow background he uses for his vlogs. In the end, you may want to test a couple or all of these options to see which is the right fit for your vlog style. 4. Dress to impress. Don't worry, this doesn't mean putting on a fancy dress or suit. But what it does mean is to create a professional style that suits the audience you are trying to appeal to. Sure, if you want to vlog about personal finance, then a suit may be a good idea. Take note, but if you're talking about travel or sports or tech, then general daily fashion is fine. It's all about creating a look that your viewers feel comfortable with and that fits the tone. But as a basic rule, at least freshen up your face and hair, and certainly no vests with old food stains. 5. Write a rough script. Before you start rolling the cameras, you need to have a good idea of what it is you are going to say. The best video bloggers out there are usually very good at thinking and talking on the spot. But I can guarantee that even the best have at least a rough bullet point outline of what they want to say. By developing a rough script ahead of time, you can be sure that you have enough content to talk about in the video. You talk about the right things in the video, and don't ramble. You save time by being able to get on and talk. You tell an engaging story. Ultimately, those video bloggers that use scripts end up producing video content that is to a much higher standard and that is much more useful for their viewers. Don't worry about your script being too specific, otherwise, you risk coming off as a robot when you open your mouth. You want to learn more about video content batching? Check out this video. And see more videos, then subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.